Mr. Buddy Boy. Where are we? You want to go and play with your mommy outside for a little while? Belle's ready.
She's having a look, just make sure everything's all right.
Are you?
Look over the wall then.
Yeah.
You ready? Feel that sun.
What is this? Doesn't take long for them to have a little spring in their step. They're like, oh, this is cool. Where you going? Where you going? Hi, is this fun? Come on, yay! Good boy, don't go down the icy steps. You know, that'd be bad. Good job, Belle. Is that your baby? Gotta be gentle. Yeah, gentle. It's your baby boy. Oh, so cute. Oh, goodness.
So I can control one of them. What's that, Belle? Good girl.
Is that your baby? Hi, buddy boy. What do you think of this? Exploring?
Different smells, isn't it?
Yeah. What is that? Good boy. Good boy.
They can't get front and back legs together when they get into a sprint.
What are you doing? Is that pretty good? Yay! Good job, buddy.
Yeah, I know, Belle. He's gorgeous, isn't he? He won't be eating that, this good boy. He's a licker like Belle.
Are you? Good boy.